Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm about to go out on a dinner date. So I thought I would sit down, try out some new products that are new to me and, just do a little chit chatting, not too much. But if you would like to see how I accomplish this look, then stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. If you enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who. So in this video, I am doing, a quick makeup look. Hopefully it's quick. I have less than an hour to get ready. I do not know what I'm wearing. I do not know what I'm going to do to my hair. That's why I have this bonnet on. I don't know if I want to do another ponytail or slap on a wig. I don't know. Hella thirsty. So yeah, just gonna hop right into it. I already did full-blown skincare, cleaned up my brows a little bit, so to get that out the way. Priming, using the Giorgio Armani. I might show the products, I might not. A lot of these products I tend to use over and over. If you have any questions about the products that I use, just let me know, and I can list them down below in the comments. Another step that I'm going to incorporate, instead of using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist at the end, I'm going to use it as like a part of my first step. And I'm going to let that settle into my skin. I have a fresh Real Technique sponge. I'm needing to purge my sponges because I've been having them for a long time. And sponges have shelf life as well. So we don't need any type of additional breakouts on my face than usual, as I try to find me a foundation brush. Foundation I'm going to use is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. I have shade 61NN. Brushes I'll be using mostly is from Sephora collection. This is the holiday collection from 2021. Not last year, because the last year ones were blue. So I'm going to hit the brush with the Tatcha as well. I just want everything to, blend easily and effortlessly. I'm gonna put let me shake this. 2 pumps. And then go from there. So this, I had 60 NN and it was just a tad bit too light for me. Now, I typically go in and do my brows first, then eyes, but I'm a little ass backwards today. But as soon as I blend this out, I will be getting to the brows. So another product that I have grown to love is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Honestly, I don't know what took me so long in getting it. And I take my Sephora spoolie, I bend it, and then go in. You have to make sure that it doesn't dry out. So I'm not gonna keep the lid off. This was not cheap, but I got it when it was like 50% off. So should have bought 2. But I didn't know how it would actually work on my brows. So I like to put an even coat on each side. Just take a little from over here, apply it, and then just go up. You see that? It gives it like a little bushy look, but I'm all for it. It just makes it so easy for me to do my brows now. I let it dry before going in with the pencil. So using a Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim to do my brows real quick. And honestly, I don't even have to use a lot of product because of the brow gel. Now to shape my brows, I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Concealer in Praline. This is the cream concealer. Soft matte concealer. I don't know why I said radiant. Gotta keep this closed as well because it'll dry out. So, how's life been treating you guys? I take my test, well, the first exam of 3 in 20 days. Well, it's 20 days on today. It'll be less than that by the time you guys see this video. So please say a prayer for your girl, because everyone is nervous. I'm doing my best to stay positive and not let my anxiety get the best of me, because it definitely will do that. Now, moving on to eyeshadow, and I am going to prime my eyes with Juvia's Place I Prep I Prime. So while that's drying down a little bit, going in with concealer, the Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie. Normally I would go in with 2 concealers, but not tonight. Not tonight. Yeah, I think I made the right decision by not adding another concealer. I think this one is good enough. What do you guys think? I'm in my vanity because this is where I normally, get ready when I'm going somewhere. And my other setup has my work computer on it because I'm on call this weekend, so I was definitely not removing that stuff. So I did go back to Sephora and exchange the Rare Beauty bronzer. So I'm gonna try another shade, which is Full of Life. I feel like this one would be a much better option for me. Yes, definitely. So I'm gonna take the foundation brush and just blend it. Ooh, yeah, this is the right color. I wish she had powder bronzers. Maybe that'll be next. If she do have powder bronzers, I don't recall seeing it. Please let me know, but I don't think she do. I can use a little bit more right here. Yeah, I'll add just a little bit more. So I am going to have to set the eyeshadow base as well as the concealer under my eye to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow that I'm about to use. Definitely don't want to ruin my face makeup. Using the Urban Decay Translucent All-Nighter Powder. This is becoming an Urban Decay night. No, let me backtrack. I'm going to set my eyelid with the powder. But before going in with the same powder for my under eye, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury powder, face powder in number 1. I have the mini, if I can open it. Then I'll go in with translucent powder. I don't know, I just feel like when going in with the pressed powder first, just make sure under eye look a little bit more airbrushed and it's less creasing. And it's already brightening my under eye as well. So there was definitely no need for another concealer. So I dust the excess off from the Urban Decay powder, which I have a lot on my hands. This powder is, whew, a lot comes out and it's just like everywhere I look at my hand. And that wasn't even a lot. So I feel like I can set my entire face with the powder that's on my hand. So for the eye look, using the Star Wars and Pat McGrath, this is the mini palette. This palette is, ooh, I'm about to drop it. This palette is so beautiful. And the shades are right up my alley. So I was trying to figure out which shade that I want to use as far as like the shimmer. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so I'm going to do this eye real quick and then come back. Okay, so my eyes are almost done. They're a little bit more darker than what I wanted them to be, but it's okay, it's cool. I did get another blush from Sephora. I exchanged the broken one. This is number 5. It's a matte shade, but I just want to show it to you guys real quick before I set my entire face. So this is what the shade looks like. Very pretty. I'm not gonna go in with a powder bronzer. I'm just gonna set my entire face using the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder. Gonna go that route. Now it's time to contour my nose a little bit more before the blush. Then I will spray my face because I'm looking extra dry. We don't want that. So like I was saying, I take my exam May 26th, and from what I've heard, it is like maybe the hardest one because it's the core, going over a lot of different, sections or areas in supply chain management. So I'm definitely need to step up my study habits, study schedule. So I'll more than likely just be posting videos once a week. Videos are like my fun time, my hobby, my like time to like decompress. So it's not like I have to post, but I want to. I like doing these videos. They're just fun for me and fun, just to do it in itself. In order to bring my face back to life, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Rare Beauty highlighter on my nose. Not so much my face this time. Next up is eyeliner from Sephora, but I'm going to do that off camera because I cannot focus and do eyeliner. I have it all over the place. So I have a new mascara to try out from Well People. This is in Pro Black Nor Pro, and it's the Expressionist Pro Mascara. I like the one because I feel like it's, the right type of one for my little lashes. I think I'm gonna go with the Kiss Lash Couture Masterpiece in Pret-a-Porter. I still don't know what I'm wearing. I don't know. I'll figure out something. I don't even know what I'm gonna do to my hair, but I don't know. I'll figure out something. While the lash glue is getting tacky, I'm going to take some Buxom Lip Shot to plump these lips. And now I can put the lashes on. Okay, so I am going to get dressed, come back, and then do my lip. Okay, I'm back. I decided to do ponytail. Now let's do lips real quick. I'm going to use ColourPop and Shayla BFF lip liner. That was kind of messy, but hey, it is what it is. And then I'm going to use Fenty Cream and Honey Waffles. Lips look good. Earrings, since my hair is up, I'm gonna use these. I'm going to wear these hoops that I got from Fashion Nova. I wish I had bigger hoops, but these will do. Wearing a black dress, all black dress. Scent or fragrance for tonight is Dream Chaser by what is it, Charlie D'Amato or something like that. So it kind of smells like Baccarat or Berry Her, but it's a more affordable option. So this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching. I'm going back.